Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To change the Focus Assist settings in Windows 11, open the Settings window and click the System button at the left side of the screen to show the system settings for your device. Then click the Focus Assist category in the pane at the right side of the window to show the Focus Assist settings for Windows 11 in the right pane. Focus Assist settings determine when you do and do not receive notifications from apps in Windows 11. Under the Focus Assist setting, to disable Focus Assist, select the Off button. To show only priority notifications as determined by you, select the Priority Only option. To hide all notifications other than alarms, select the Alarms Only option. To show a summary of what you missed when Focus Assist is enabled, check the Show a Summary of What I Missed When Focus Assist Was On checkbox. To set the apps allowed to notify you when Focus Assist is on, if you select the Priority Only option, click the Customize Priority List link under the Priority Only option to show the priority list at the right side of the settings window. To show incoming calls, check the Show Incoming Calls, including Voice over IP checkbox. To show reminders regardless of the app, check the Show Reminders Regardless of App Use checkbox. To show notifications from people who are pinned contacts on the taskbar, check the Show Notifications from Pinned Contacts on Taskbar checkbox. To add additional contacts who are allowed to notify you during Focus Assist times, click the Add Contacts button under the People section and then add the contacts from the People app. To show notifications from selected apps, click the Add an App button under the Apps section and then click the app to add in the Choose an App window that appears. To remove an app, click the app in the Apps section and then click the Remove button that appears. To return to the Focus Assist settings, click the Focus Assist link in the breadcrumb navigation at the top of the Settings app window. To enable or disable automatic rules for Focus Assist in Windows 11, click the Desired Rules toggle switch under the Automatic Rules section to toggle it either on or off. To edit these rules, click the name of the automatic rule to edit to view its settings in the Settings window. Then change any of the rule's settings as desired. To return to the Focus Assist settings, click the Focus Assist link in the breadcrumb navigation at the top of the Settings app window. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.